Oh, Dawnmaster here. Got a little haul here for you. And one item was given to me, and one was a order from Mac, special order. And then I picked up something off the Snapon truck that I thought was nice. Nice little kit that came all together in a case. Bluepoint hand riveter kit. And I got the 901 here, or 903. Had this for a while. Pre-ordered it before it came out off the Mac truck a few years ago, and it's great. I love it with the 5 amp hour battery. I use the M12 at work. The new stubby Milwaukee definitely has more power than this, but notice that new Milwaukee really sucks through the battery. But it's a great tool. This one stays at home. Actually stays in my car. Used it yesterday to do some brakes. Also used these sockets that were given to me by a friend. He bought them brand new. They didn't come with a metal tray. The dealer lost the tray, and they were on this mechanic's time saver rail when he got them off of the Mack truck. It used to come to his house. And he says he never used this set. So he's like, it's starting to rust. I'd rather see it go to someone who can actually use it. And I haven't had a good USA 3/8 set. I had that Cornwall set that I traded in because I didn't like the Cornwall ones. And Mac and Snapon are my favorite for USA impact swivels. Told you guys that. Just the quality's good. You can see there's a little bit of rusting on it. This is the metric set. 3/8 drive 10 through 19. And Mac ones are pretty shallow, but they work good. And I used them yesterday doing a brake job, and they worked great on the 903. And figured I'd grab the other set. This is the expert set. I put them on a Vim tray, but the expert set came as a package deal with the 903 a few years ago. I don't know if any of you guys remember that. But you bought this kit with the 3 amp hour, the 5 amp hour, the impact, the charger, and you got a set of expert impact swivels. It's a good deal. I think it was 500 bucks. No, it was $3.99. I can remember that. $3.99. And that was 4 or 5 years ago, but these did well. I had to warranty 1 or 2 of them for the pins bending, but I mean, they did good. Not a whole lot of complaints. I just am not a fan of the collars. I've had 2 blow up on me. Not these, but my gear wrench deeps blew up on me. That Milwaukee has a lot of power in it. Blew the collar off and the pin shot out. Never had that happen, and it happened a couple weeks ago. It was pretty scary, actually. I heard the pin hit somewhere on the other side of the shop. No joke. But the collar backs down and slides down enough to where the pin comes out. Anyway, these are a good set. As you all know, I took these home and replaced them with an ADV set. Because as far as the Taiwan ones go, I like the SunX Grey Pneumatic, ADV style swivels. I think they work a little bit nicer than these, but honestly, it was probably a waste. I probably should have just kept running these, because now I have 3 sets of metric swivels. So I'm going to be selling a set or 2 now that I have the Mac USA ones, which are going to be my favorite. I know it. A little bit of rust, but I'm going to clean them up. Probably don't even need to, because they're going to work with me Monday, and I'm going to start using them daily. So that rust will probably just come right off. But I'm going to wipe them down, maybe. So that's those. Mac makes good impact sockets, in my opinion. I went ahead and got this set. I have a lot of little riveting projects with the trailer at home, and I went ahead and picked up this HR-26 PKC. It comes with 4 boxes of rivets, which is really nice. 3/32 through 3/16. It's a Bluepoint industrial, and it is a really nice riveter. It's not like those cheap ones you buy at the auto parts stores. And the main reason why I wanted this kit, it was a little expensive, about $1.50. Sounds a lot for just a hand riveter, but I like the fact that it comes in a case. The last riveter I had, I lost it. I bought it from Napa. It was decent. It was a name brand one. I forget the main name brand. But it came in like a plastic thick bag. And it was just, I didn't like that. It didn't come with a nice case that you could store the rivets with it. Because whenever I go to grab my riveter, I could never find my rivets. So that's why I got this guy. So I'm going to open it up, show you guys what it looks like. So it comes in a nice blow molded case with nice latches and a handle. So you can grab it, bring it to the vehicle or trailer you're working on. And just a nice kit. I've already used it. Unfortunately, the project I was using, I needed these 3/16 rivets, and they weren't long enough to go through the fender panel and the body of the vehicle. So I had to buy some deeper ones, 5/8 deep on this end, because I threw them in this box of Bluepoint rivets. But the Bluepoint ones are really shallow, pretty standard like that, and I needed the extra deep style like that, if that makes sense, to get through, to pull everything together correctly. So that's those. But I just like this kit. It's a good idea. It's all together, you know, everything stays in one box, so you can just grab it and do your job. But I picked up the longer rivets on Amazon. They're at my house the next morning. The HR26 Bluepoint worked great. Interchangeable heads. It's got a wrench on there to tighten and loosen these. And the comfort grip on it feels really good. Kind of a nice overmold. Kind of a rubbery gel. And really nice, strong design, in my opinion. Chromoly steel. And then the cool thing is it gives you the part name, part numbers on all here, and a diagram for replacement parts. So that's pretty cool. And he said there's a lifetime warranty on this guy. So that's awesome. So that's that. And then I got an order that came in from my Mac dealer. I've always wanted a solvent sprayer. And I did use it last week. That's why the box is open. I needed it. Doing an overhaul, flushing out a engine block. Solvent. And that is the Mac Tools AS13. Believe it's made in USA too. So it comes with hose that sticks in on the front here, and then instead of having an actual valve, it's like a water weenie. So it's thick like hose here, and you just pull the trigger and it comes out as like a really heavy mist. And the harder you pull it, the more solvent and the heavier the mist is. And it works really good. You can see there, Mac Tools. I'm sure there's a company that makes these. They're the same from like Snapon, Bluepoint. I believe they're made in USA. But if it doesn't say USA on it, then it probably isn't. Precautions to be followed. I don't see anything on it that says where it's made, but I don't even remember how much it was. It was either 100 or 200, but I really needed it, I'll tell you that. So I got it, and I'm happy I got it. So kind of a small little haul for you, but I went ahead and finally got these. A buddy of mine, he's not a mechanic, but he likes tools, and knows a Mac dealer, and he would stop by his house and he'd buy stuff here and there, and he bought this set a couple years ago, and he's like, you know what, I never use this set, I just don't really need it. And I was like, how much do you want for it? And he's like, I'll just give it to you. I'm like, sweet. Sometimes friends are awesome like that. He's like, if I don't, they're just gonna sit here and rust. So as you can see, like he said, they're starting to rust a little bit, but you know, he said he only used them like 1 or 2 times. I used the 13, no, I used the 14 yesterday, and he used the 19, obviously, you can see, but everything else is new. So these are just awesome sockets, the Mac impact swivels. I have the 1/2-inch drive metric set and then the 1/2-inch drive SAE set. Really expensive, but cheaper than Snap-on, and they still hold up. I've only had a warranty 1 USA Mac, just from wear and tear, the 24 millimeter on my big 1/2-inch impact. It just wore out, but the pins are welded in there and they ain't coming out, and the pins are really good size. They're a lot thicker than your ones on the offshores ones. So just a little tip there. I don't know what this retails for. It's probably around 500. So I might take these to work and replace the ADVs, start using these guys. So I'm either gonna sell the ADVs or sell these guys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might sell these ones and take the ADVs home. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.